Guys, I was looking for a radiator guard for my Triumph Street Triple 2013. I bought it a few years ago, but I never got around to buy a radiator guard for it. So I did a bit of research, and there are quite a few brands out there, some better than others. Some good feedback I got on this R&G brand, and I decided to buy one and see how it is. And well and truly, it's affordable as well. I think I paid just about $100 for it, Australian dollars that is. And here it is. It just arrived, and comes with instructions on Bike Biz in Melbourne. And yeah, that's just how to return in case there's something wrong with it. Comes with a couple of stickers here, and I guess either some replacements for that one there, or just additional stickers if you want to put them somewhere on your bike. But look at the quality. That's what I'm quite surprised, because what I've seen on the internet in pictures and that, I couldn't really tell how good or bad it was. But this is such a good make, and it's really strong, and it's custom for my bike. That's what I like. It's the connectors. It's got two connectors at the top and one at the bottom, so it's a 3-point connection for it. And when others, they just come with a mesh, and you need to find your own way to mount it and adapt it to your bike. But this is just really nice, so I'm going to put it on the bike, see how it looks, how it feels. So the 3 points they recommend to mount the guard on is this. Is one. You can see the other one is just back there, and the one at the bottom, this one here. So they're the 3 mounting points. Pretty easy. Give it a good brush all around. So then once I fit the guard on, I'm not intending to take it out soon, so at least if I can give it a clean now before I mount it in place will be good. And then what they recommend is loosen up these two and just take the nuts out, and then fit the guard on those two, and then just temporarily put the nuts back on. And then the bottom bolt, take the whole bolt out, and fit the guard through, and then put the bolt back through, and put the nut back on. And that's about it. Let's see how it goes based on the instructions. Just a 10mm wrench to take them out. So got the nut out, but interestingly, on the left hand side, it's actually just an 8mm nut, not a 10mm. So yeah, 2 different sizes. I would have thought. Comes with these foamy bits, which there used to be just 2 pieces it comes with, but then they recommend to cut it in 10mm width. So I just cut them in half long ways, and then I'm probably gonna cut it in again halfway that way, and then I'll end up having 8 pieces. And then they say to stick it at the bottom of the grill. So I'm gonna want these edges here, so I'm probably gonna have 2 in each corner. And then when I mount it over the radiator, it's gonna distance a bit, so it's not gonna sit flush against the radiator. It's just gonna give it a bit of a spacing in between. So let's see how that goes. For mounting the guard, I've just with a bit of a window cleaner and a microfiber glass, just gonna give the whole frame around a nice clean to degrease it before I apply this foamy stuff, and then mounting it. Where I placed all my foamy bits in each corner, and 2 in the middle here, and yeah, ready to be mounted on the bike. And the bottom bolt and nut, they're just another 8mm. So just an 8mm spanner here. So all done. So the easiest way I found was to remove this nut on the right hand side of the bike as you look from the front of the bike, and then remove this is actually a bolt. There's no nut. The nut is part of the frame. So just remove the whole bolt out, and then I don't know if you can see there, that bolt there, and then fit the mounting brackets of the top of the guard up on the bolts there. And once that's done, just put the nuts back into place just enough so it doesn't fall off. Then undo the bottom bolt just there and mount the bottom bracket, mounting bracket, and then tie them all up, and that was it. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's got just a small gap between the radiator and the guard, and pretty flash on the side, just really like 3 mils gap between the guard and the side of the radiator, so just enough so it doesn't hit the sides. And yeah, this is it. I'm pretty happy what it looks like now. I'm just gonna send some before and after shots now. Thanks for watching.